It's so sad. Maybe they are busy, but a live session is a live session. I'm going to continue without them. So probably this video is being recorded. After this recording, I might post drop the video on my on my YouTube channel. So the topic of this live stream is beginner to advanced, kind of beginner to advanced. So I'll just be walking you through some things, right? I'll be walking you some I'll be walking you through some things. So what I have here is what is forex now? What Let me just type this out quickly. What what is forex and how does it work? So second on the list we have the basic analysis in forex. The basic analysis forex. And thirdly, we have retail trader growth. Retail trader growth. And in that, we will talk about the growth phases of a retail trader, from the unconscious incompetence to the phase of unconscious competence, which is like the professional level. It's more like an advanced stuff. That's why I say it's a soft touch to hard touch. Then on the fourth list, okay, on the third rather, on the third we will be having the, sorry, let me modify this. On the third, this retail trader growth should be the fourth thing I'll be talking about. So on the third here, we just move this one to the number 4. So on the third one here, we'll be having forex market participants. Forex market participants. All right. So we'll just go over to the fifth one, how to become. I didn't put it good. The fifth one will be how to become a profitable trader. To become a excuse me, how to become a profitable trader. All right. Now the sixth one is introduction to advanced technical analysis, which is going to be more like a weekly breakdown of what I'm looking for in the market. Also, I promised the community that I'll be giving them what I think of my 2 swing trades, Euro JPY and GBP JPY. I hopped on Friday. The volatility did not give me the push I needed to the downside. So my idea generation process is something that is I've been working on for the longest, and it is kicking in nice and great. And transitioning into a swing trader is going to be my next line of action. Sorry. My next line of action. This will be for the GJ and EJ swing. My next line of action on GBP, JPY, and the Euro JPY. JPY. So that is that. So guys, nobody has joined yet, so I'm just going to kick off. So this might be more like a beginner stuff for everybody. For those looking to join forex market, become a trader, aspiring to become a trader, and all of that. So let's get on with it. This session is supposed to last for an hour, so I have like roughly 35 minutes to walk you through this. So first of all, we're talking about what is forex and how does it work. All right, let me see if I can expand this a little bit. Right, let me see. Can I expand this? All right, let me just try to give them enough line spacing, and we can kick off from there. All right, so this is what we are looking at basically. So this is what we're looking at. First off, what is Forex and how does it work? The word Forex is gotten from foreign exchange market. So what is Forex? Forex is the buying and selling of goods and services on an agreed upon price. So that is how you talk about it in a layman understanding, all right? Now, foreign exchange is the is a type of skill that you learn, retail aspect and also the professional aspect, that's been here for the longest. And if you don't know about it, then maybe you have never come across someone who trades the financial market. So in the forex market, it's all about foreign exchange. What is foreign exchange? You go to a bank, you're planning on you know, boarding a pass to Dubai Airlines, and then you want to have or spend a vacation with your family, friends, and all of that. So first things first, after getting your tickets, you go to the bank, go and exchange some of your, if you're in Nigerian, if you're West African, Ghana or wherever, you exchange your cedis for the dirham, and you exchange your Nigerian currency, the naira, for the dirham. All right. So you that process of changing your money into another currency is called foreign exchange. It's called an exchange. So at this exchange, they are done at rates. All right. So this rate is what you say, okay, if you are changing your currency, maybe uh, one dirham is equal to like 3,000 Nigerian naira, or one dirham is equals to 25, cities, Ghana cities. All right. Now you are changing this on a basis of quote currency and base currency. The base currency is the first one that you're changing. So the you're changing your naira into dirham. So your naira is the quote currency, while dirham is what? The base currency. Now you're changing dirham for naira. You have that the naira would be for the quote currency, while the dirham is the base currency. So one dirham equals to 3,000 naira, or the series, one dirham is equal to 25 cities, Ghana cities, and all of that. So how does this market work? How does it work? So this is not a beginner class where I get to tell you about how big the market is and all of that. How does it work? It's basically, as retail traders, you trade a contract for difference, a CFD. So trading a CFD contract for difference, it is something that you do when you're into the financial market, the global financial market. Now, instead of exchanging your currency physically, you are trading the difference in the movement of this currency, the difference in the rates of this currency, and then you're making money off it, of these differences you're trading. Now, the forex market is all about speculations, right? Now you're speculating that the euro dollar is gonna drop. So let's say the euro dollar was trading at 1.1100, and then you're expecting it to drop with 50 pips, maybe 1.10950, okay, or 1.00950. So let me just type it out so that we'll be on the same page here. So this is just like you're expecting the euro dollar to drop, So the euro dollar, let's say it is at I'm trying to use this stuff to represent it, right? And then here would be the drop you're expecting. You're expecting it to drop to this point. Now let's say that you're expecting the euro dollar to drop 1.1000. You're expecting it to drop to, let me see if I can clone this so that will be a lot faster. I think I just have to type it again. And you're expecting it to drop to 1.0950. All right. Now, what you've done here is you're expecting the euro dollar to what? To drop 50 pips down, or 50 or 500 points down. So that's what you're expecting the euro dollar to do. That is your speculation. So eventually, if the euro dollar drops off here, you'll be making some cool money. Same thing if you're expecting the euro dollar to go from 1.09500 up to 1.100. Yeah, expecting the euro dollar to what, move up or rally 50 pips in your direction, which of course, if you're right, you make money. If you're wrong, you lose money. So that is how the speculation works. Some people call it betting, but I don't think this thing can be related to betting in any way, or rather gambling. This is not gambling.